The main attribute of the property is we're 10 blocks from the beach. This course is at the mercy of the winds, which kind of makes it like a links golf course. The original 9 holes was designed by Sam Snead. It opened in 1960. It was very old and tired. It was kind of the traditional golf course built in that era, and it just needed to be updated. The main thing they didn't like about what was here was the course conditions, the turf conditions. And you know, it doesn't matter how good a design it is, if the turf's not good, people aren't going to enjoy playing it. The course really had no fairway bunkers, so we've added some fairway bunkers. All the green sites are totally different, so they're rebunkered. You know, the contours are reshaped. When you play a hole, it's going to have an individual character to it because of the green site. The main thing is the golf course is going to finish different. 16, which is a long par 4 playing into the wind, should play above par. 17 we shortened to make it more of a exciting risk-reward drivable par 4, which, you know, a good chance of the average guy making par or a good player making birdie. And then the last hole is a par 5, and it's kind of an S-shaped hole where you can pick and choose what part of the lake you want to hit over, and we incorporated the old 16 green into. It's really, really a beautiful hole. The finish of the golf course is going to be very memorable. The ballparks are right here, adjacent to the golf course, and that's the main recreation area for Jacksonville Beach. And the golf course, I'm just kind of seeing it as a golf park. We're going to drastically improve the driving range, have probably 50% more hitting bays to hit off of so we can accommodate more people. It's going to be aesthetically a lot more beautiful, and it's right adjacent to the clubhouse. The clubhouse has the potential to become maybe a sports pub, where when the families are out here with their kids playing ball or coming to play golf or just wanting to go out to eat, there'll be a fun place to go. The putting course is just a big rolling putting green where you have 18 different holes, a little cup caddy, you can put your drink down and just go have an 18-hole round of putting. Well, it's going to be accessible to everybody because it's a municipal golf course. It's one of the few municipal golf courses in the entire area, especially in the city center. This place could become one of the premier municipal courses on the whole East Coast if it's kept in good condition and operated correctly. You know, I live here, so this is a legacy thing. I mean, it's just a golf course and it's open to the public, which I grew up playing basically public golf. And so it's inspirational to me from that aspect. People just want to rally around this place because it's always been their go-to place to go play. They want to know what's going on. You know, not everybody's a member of a private club, so this is just a perfect place for everybody to gather, you know, to have a great golf experience, and that's what we tried to do here. It'll be a true community golf course.